Most crypto trading bots fail, and when people hear that, they usually jump to one of two conclusions. Either they think trading bots don't work at all, or they believe they just haven't found the right one yet. The reality is more uncomfortable than both of those ideas. Most crypto trading bots fail because people misunderstand what actually creates sustainable results in trading. The first major mistake is believing the bot is the strategy. It isn't. A bot is simply an execution tool. If the underlying framework is weak, automation doesn't fix the problem, it accelerates it. That's why so many bots look impressive in screenshots or short-term results, but quietly break down over time. One of the most common reasons this happens is market conditions. Many bots are designed to work best in strong uptrends. They perform well when prices are rising and momentum is clear. But crypto markets don't move in straight lines. They range, they consolidate, they retrace, and they spend far more time moving sideways than most people expect. When a bot isn't built to handle that reality, it doesn't usually fail all at once. Instead, small losses begin to stack up. Drawdowns slowly increase and confidence starts to fade. That leads to the second major reason most crypto trading bots fail: poor risk structure. A lot of systems obsess over entries, signals, indicators, and predictions. But experienced traders know those aren't the most important questions. The real question isn't how often a system is right, it's what happens when it's wrong. Without clear position sizing, sensible capital allocation, and a plan for adverse price movement, even a smart bot becomes dangerous over time. Losses don't have to be dramatic to be destructive. They just need to be consistent. Then there's the third and most overlooked reason bots fail: control. Many platforms require users to hand over custody of their funds. That means you're not just trading the market, you're trusting infrastructure, operations, and decisions you don't control. History has shown again and again that even strategies that appear to be working can fail instantly when control is removed from the user. So how do you avoid these mistakes? You stop searching for a magic bot and you start focusing on a blueprint. A blueprint doesn't begin with promises, it begins with structure. It asks fundamental questions. How is capital deployed? How is risk managed across different market conditions? How does the system behave during drawdowns? And most importantly, who stays in control? Automation should remove emotion, not responsibility. It should execute rules, not replace judgment. And it should operate inside a framework designed for longevity, not hype. That's why the approach behind the Chain Wealth Blueprint focuses on understanding the system first before choosing any specific tool. Once you understand the framework, the tools become interchangeable. Some people use grid-based systems, some prefer lot-structured automation, others combine multiple approaches depending on market conditions. One example of a platform built around non-custodial structured automation is Jonny blockchain, but the platform is never the starting point. The blueprint is: when you understand why most bots fail, you stop chasing shortcuts. You stop asking which bot makes the most money, and you start asking which system gives me control, structure, and consistency. That shift alone puts you ahead of most people in crypto, because long-term success in this space isn't about finding the perfect bot. It's about avoiding the mistakes that cause most people to fail. If you want a simple beginner guide to discovering how crypto volatility can be turned into passive income using automation, I've created a free blueprint that walks you through the exact framework step by step. You'll find the link to that free blueprint in the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification so you're alerted when I upload new videos. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.